Have you ever wondered how Google Maps does this thing where you can see 3D space, building height and everything? Or I'm sure you've seen this shot from GTA 6 trailer. Have you ever wondered how they do that? I mean, if you think about it, nobody is sitting down measuring it and actually, 3D modeling that building according to the size. It's practically impossible. ये होता है photogrammetry से. कोई बैठ के 3D model बना ही नहीं सकता ऐसे. Now, you may ask, what exactly is photogrammetry? I mean, it's like magic, but with some technology. Imagine taking a bunch of photos, could be anything, building, even this mobile phone on my table, or anything else. And now, you turn that photo into a 3D model. In a nutshell, that's what's photogrammetry. It's the science of capturing 3 dimensions of an object using 2D images. Think of it this way. Each photo captures on a slightly different angle the perspective of that object. Then software magic happens. Identify the common points and uses these points to reconstruct the object in 3D space. It's like putting together a puzzle. And let me tell you, you need super high performance computers for that. Here's the catch with photogrammetry. Think of it like this. You can't run a marathon on flip-flops. Exactly why? ऐसा कुछ करने के लिए you need super high performance computers. And at MVP, we know a thing or two about building custom PCs. We've been doing it since 2015. And of course, हम लोग ऐसे कई लोगों को ये supply कर चुके हैं. Now, we had a user who is actually taking photos from satellite and then measuring distances between fences, forecasting areas where flood prevention measures should be taken. But everyone doing anything in photogrammetry cannot have the same kind of workflow, does not need the same kind of power. Exactly why you need to build a custom PC. You cannot get that flexibility from off-the-shelf machines. We are talking about high core count CPUs, massive amounts of RAM, and in certain cases, lightning-fast GPUs. These components work together to do those calculations, giving you faster processing and, of course, better results. And going back to the topic, photogrammetry isn't just for making cool 3D models for your action figures. It's impressive tech, but it's used in many things. Now, photogrammetry is used by archaeologists. They study ancient ruins in depth. Whatever floats your boat, guys, is used in architecture. Architects actually use it to create accurate 3D models of buildings, the surrounding area, and so on. It even helps in historical preservation. People use it in crime scene investigation. And you know what? It's also used in video games. Now, imagine a big world like GTA 6. It's impossible to do it without speeding up the workflow. You can't possibly have someone sit down and model the entire city for you. And remember, satellites, they capture images of Earth, and with photogrammetry can create entire 3D maps of the Earth's surface. These maps are used for everything from urban planning and, like I said, disaster relief. And that's just scratching the surface. It's a versatile tool used in various fields across different applications. But one thing remains constant, you need a very powerful PC to do this. इतना सब ज्ञान देने के बाद, the next question you're going to ask, what is a general recommendation? Because we cannot make a recommendation for every possible use case. It's just out of scope for a tiny YouTube video. So it's going to be something like, keep 4 things in mind. Have a high core count CPU. This helps, especially when you have a lot of images that you're working with. Have high RAM. Also, faster RAM helps. 64 GB plus is a bare minimum. And of course, good GPU helps. You can even play games in the downtime. And of course, SSD. Go for that NVMe SSD. It totally depends on how much data you need to be storing. And of course, this is just a starting point. You can always get in touch with us to consult, and we'll let you know what exactly you need. So thank you for watching this video. We were trying something different in our content on YouTube. I hope you like that. In case you have an inquiry, reach us on these numbers or visit our stores in this city. Thank you for watching.